Morning guys, it's around 6ish in the morning and I want to be a bit quiet because the others are still sleeping. The water temperature of the Baltic Sea today is around 5ish degrees Celsius and the air temperature is also around 5 degrees Celsius, so it's rather cold. But I guess it's going to be a bit warmer later, so I need to hurry up a bit because I made up a cool challenge. So here are the rules. If you are challenged, then you take a cold shower or you go to the beach, as I will do in a few minutes, and you stay in the ice cold water until you solved the fully randomized Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to challenge some of my best buddies. I've seen far too little last time, so it's going to be Jester, Segman and Arthur. See you.